Women's 100 metres, the final track event of the evening. And there's one good reason why they've left it to last, because in lane 5 is one of the great Polish heroines, Ewa Swoboda, former European indoor champion. Posters everywhere, massive posters of her everywhere across the city of Katowice. She's right in the middle of the 9 athletes as well. They set it up for her. Jenna Prandini, well, she's a great 200-meter runner, has a best of 10.9, the American. Hasn't had a vintage season by her standards. 7th in the London Diamond League before the games, hasn't raced since then. Natasha Morrison of Jamaica, 11-1 this year, but she's a 10.85 athlete. Bas Bitaye of Gambia, she goes in lane 3, semi-finalist in the Olympic Games at 200 metres. Then Tamari Davis, 2nd in Lausanne and 2nd in Monaco just before the game. She's a very consistent racer as the 21-year-old American. Best of 10.8. Yeah, and there is Swoboda. How they love her. Silver medalist at the World Indoors in Glasgow back in March behind Julian Alfred. And that wasn't a bad person to lose to, seeing as Alfred went on to become Olympic champion. Marie-Josée Talou Smith of the Côte d'Ivoire, I'm sure she races more than anybody on the whole circuit. A prolific racer, 4th in Lausanne, 11.07. Still in good form, the 35-year-old. Daryl Neita of Great Britain, 4th in the Olympic 100, 5th in the 200. So frustrated with those, although she got a silver from the sprint relay. Tia Clayton, 7th in the Olympic Games, the Jamaican silver medalist, only a youngster, just 20 years old. And Patricia van der Weken of Luxembourg completes the lineup. She's a late addition, I think, because when I travelled here a couple of days ago, I was chatting to a certain Dina Asher-Smith at the airport as we were waiting for our bags. Dina announced yesterday she was pulling out of this meeting. I'm not sure if she's felt a niggle or if she's just not feeling 100%, but Dina flew here to Poland but is not competing tonight. So the meeting record, well, it's a rather impressive one. I'm not sure we'll see an extra one added in this race. 10.66 by Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce of Jamaica a couple of years ago. But 3 Olympic finalists go here. And all eyes on Swoboda in lane 5. There she is, real powerhouse. She's a tremendously quick starter. Look for her to probably lead at halfway and then maybe to get run down. Can she stay ahead though to send everyone home on a high, with Mondo of course 2 more attempts at that world record in the vault to come. Well, a really good start from Tamari Davis there, 4th from right. Swoboda's got some running to do here yet. I don't think she's going to win this one. Really good running on the near side too from Tia Clayton. Tia Clayton takes it there on the near side, I think. Probably the shortest athlete in the race and the youngest at 20. The Jamaican in lane 8, I think, just nicked that. 10.81. Well, it is super fast. That's the 5th fastest time in the world this year, and for Clayton it is indeed a new lifetime best by a pretty big chunk. 10.83 she's given in fact, but it is nonetheless a lifetime best. Swoboda didn't get her usual bullet start from lane 5, wasn't able to get the blood up for the crowd through the first half at least, but Clayton, well, she's similarly small in stature, but boy did she hold her form well through the second half and just hung on there because it was really tight, Hannah. I don't think there was a lot in it. Let's have a look at the times. 10.83, 10.83, 10.84.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's Usain Bolt here, and trust me, you know when I'm in the house we're about to talk speed, right? But today, it's not just about my story, it's about the spirit of a whole nation. Jamaica, man. We ain't just an island, we're a force of nature on the track. We've got this legacy, this fire in our belly, that turns talent into legend. It's raw, it's real, and it's built on pure hard work and never giving up. From the moment we learn to walk, we're basically learning to fly. So get ready to meet the fastest family on earth. This ain't just a video, it's a journey through the heart of Jamaican sprinting. We're talking about the icons, the stories that'll make you believe anything is possible. Let's go. First up, you know we gotta start with yours truly, Usain Bolt. Born in the parish of Trelawney, Jamaica, I was always a country boy at heart, full of energy. From a young age, I was racing anything that moved, showing flashes of that Bolt speed. But it wasn't all sunshine and records. It took dedication, discipline, and facing down setbacks. I had my share of losses, trust me, but each one just fueled my fire to push harder, to become better. And then came the 2008 Beijing Olympics. Man, that was electric. Breaking the 100-meter world record, then the 200-meter, and anchoring the 4x100-meter relay team to another world record. It was pure magic. Those 3 gold medals weren't just for me, they were for Jamaica, for everyone who dared to dream big. I went on to break my own records, cementing my place in history as the fastest man alive. But more than the medals, it's the impact I hope I've made. I wanted to inspire a generation, to show them that limitations are self-made. To all the dreamers out there, remember, anything is possible if you work hard, stay focused, and never, ever give up on yourself. Believe in your potential and you can achieve greatness. Next up, we've got the phenomenal Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. This woman is a true testament to resilience and determination. Hailing from the tough streets of Waterhouse, Kingston, Shelly-Ann's journey is one of overcoming obstacles and silencing doubters. They don't call her the pocket rocket for nothing. This 5-time world 100-meter champion is a force to be reckoned with. She bursts out of the blocks with incredible power and speed, leaving her competitors in the dust. But it hasn't been an easy road. Shelly-Ann's faced her share of challenges, battling injuries and setbacks throughout her career. But through it all, she's shown incredible strength and determination, bouncing back stronger each time. She's a role model for aspiring athletes everywhere, proving that with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in yourself, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Shelly-Ann's story is an inspiration, not just for her incredible speed on the track, but for her unwavering spirit and her ability to overcome adversity. She's a true champion both on and off the track. Now let's talk about a woman who embodies grace, humility, and pure speed, Elaine Thompson-Herah. Hailing from the rural parish of Manchester, Elaine's rise to the top is a testament to raw talent and unwavering dedication. She burst onto the scene at the 2016 Rio Olympics, claiming double gold in the 100-meter and 200-meter. The world was in awe of her speed and power, but what truly sets Elaine apart is her humble demeanor and quiet determination. She's not one for the spotlight, preferring to let her performance on the track do the talking, and talk it does. Elaine's dominance in the sport is undeniable, and she's only just getting started. Her journey is a reminder that greatness can come from anywhere, and that with hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Elaine's story is one of inspiration, showing us that true champions are defined not just by their victories, but by their character and their commitment to their craft. We can't talk about Jamaican sprinting without mentioning the legend, the pioneer himself, Asafa Powell. This man redefined speed, becoming the first Jamaican to hold the 100-meter world record. Hailing from Spanish Town, Asafa's journey is one of breaking barriers and setting new standards. He dominated the sprinting scene for years, consistently clocking sub-10-second times and inspiring a new generation of athletes. Asafa's impact goes beyond his individual achievements. He's been a key member of Jamaica's formidable 4x100-meter relay team, leading them to numerous victories and world records. His dedication to the sport, his unwavering focus, and his leadership qualities have made him a true icon, not just in Jamaica, but on the global stage. Asafa's story is a testament to the power of perseverance, hard work, and self-belief. He's a true legend who paved the way for future generations of Jamaican sprinters. Now let's talk about a true queen of the track, Veronica Campbell-Brown. This woman is the epitome of versatility and longevity in the sport. With a career spanning over 2 decades, Veronica has done it all, conquering both the 100 meters and 200 meters. She's a 3-time Olympic gold medalist, a multiple world champion, and a true icon of Jamaican athletics. Veronica's speed and grace on the track are unmatched, and her ability to perform at the highest level for so many years is a testament to her incredible work ethic and dedication. But Veronica's impact goes beyond her medal count. She's a role model for young athletes, demonstrating the importance of discipline, perseverance, and a positive attitude. She's a true ambassador for Jamaica, carrying herself with grace and humility both on and off the track. Veronica Campbell-Brown's legacy is one of excellence, inspiration, and a true love for the sport. Get ready to unleash the beast. Johan Blake, my friend and rival, is a force to be reckoned with. Known for his explosive starts and powerful strides, Johan's presence on the track is electrifying. He burst onto the scene as the 2011 world champion in the 100 meters, becoming the youngest man to ever achieve this feat. His rivalry with me pushed both of us to our limits, creating some of the most thrilling races in track and field history. Johan's journey is one of overcoming adversity and pushing beyond expectations. He's faced his share of setbacks and injuries, but his determination and fighting spirit have always shone through. He's a true testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and unwavering self-belief. Johan Blake's story is an inspiration to us all, reminding us that with passion, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of excellence, anything is possible. Last, but certainly not least, we have the future of Jamaican sprinting, the young phenom Clayton. This young lady is already making waves on the international scene, and she's just getting started. Following in the footsteps of her older sister, the equally talented Clayton, Tia possesses incredible natural talent and a drive to succeed that belies her young age. She's already a World Under-20 champion, proving that she has what it takes to compete with the best in the world. Tia's journey is just beginning, but she's already showing the world what she's capable of. Her speed, her determination, and her unwavering focus are truly inspiring. She's a shining example of the bright future of Jamaican sprinting, and I have no doubt that she'll go on to achieve incredible things. Keep your eyes on this one. She's going to be a superstar. From the legendary tracks of Jamaica to the world stage, these athletes have left an indelible mark on the sport of sprinting. They've shown the world the true meaning of speed, determination, and resilience. Their stories are a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in oneself. They've inspired generations of young athletes and united a nation with their incredible achievements. So let their stories ignite a fire within you. Embrace the spirit of Jamaican sprinting, the speed, the power, the unwavering determination. And remember, anything is possible if you dare to dream big and work hard to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories.